I'm Reba with AppliancePartsPros.com, and I'm going to show you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breaker's off, so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, be sure to turn off the water. I'm going to show you how to replace your water inlet valve kit for your Jenn-Air refrigerator. It should be an easy repair. If you've already got the part, great. If not, click the link below or go to AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open the package, you'll get your new water inlet valve kit. Your water inlet valve kit allows water to flow to your freezer so ice can be made. If you've got a leak under your freezer, or if you're not dispensing or making ice, you may need to change this part. To get to the part, we'll need to go to the back of the refrigerator and remove the access panel. There are just 4 screws holding it on. I'll use a 1/4-inch nut driver. And the back access panel comes right off. The part is located on the right side of the refrigerator. First thing we'll have to do is remove both of these water lines. Put a towel down, and then using pliers to disconnect, and we'll disconnect the second one here. Now, there are just 2 screws holding the part onto the refrigerator, located here and here. I'll use a 1/4-inch wrench to remove these 2 screws. Once the screws are removed, the part comes right out. Up here, we have our water inlet valve assembly. Down here, we have our water inlet valve kit. We'll disconnect the 2 pieces and then disconnect the wire harness in the back, remembering that the brown is on the right side. Pull that out. And the red is on the left side. Now, disconnect these water lines, and we're almost ready for the new part. Here's the old water inlet valve kit next to the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. The new part comes with a different top fitting. It's got the quick release. You'll also notice there's only 1 hole for the water line, whereas we have this old Y connector that ran 2 lines into the old part. You'll need to cut this water line right at the end of this Y connector because the new part comes with 1 line to connect it. Brace it here against the fridge and just cut it with a razor knife. Now there's a quick connect on this tube as well. Make sure this is flush and then just put it in, give it a tug, make sure it's secure. Then the other side goes into the top of the new part. We'll reattach the wire harnesses, remembering the brown is on the right and the red is on the left. These 2 pieces fit together with this one going upside down. Rotate it, and we can put it back in. Line those holes up using the 1/4-inch wrench to tighten it down. Make sure everything's tight. We'll reconnect the water line on the back side using our pliers to make sure it's nice and tight. The main water line on the bottom. At this point, we're going to turn the water on and check for leaks before we put her back together. Now, we'll reattach the back access panel using the 4 screws and the 1/4-inch nut driver. Line up your holes here. Now that the access panel is back on, we can plug them in and get them running again. Thanks for being a part of another successful do-it-yourself repair. Share your repair with us on Facebook and look for all your repair needs at AppliancePartsPros.com.